guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about how to manage repository, right, in GitHub. Today we talk about how to manage not report like directory inside repository, right? How to manage repository in GitHub, but we are really talking about how to manage like directory inside GitHub. If you check the YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, you will see that I did the same thing for the file in the directory. So let's see how to manage a directory in a GitHub repository. So let's go on GitHub and actually make the magic happen. Now, I'm going to take, for example, this repository here. I will actually go ahead and add a directory, and then we will see how to manage that directory, for example. So I will go to add file, I will create upload. Add file just to create file for directory, and all file you can go here to upload, but that directory need to exist somewhere on your computer, right? So I have a Postgres directory here that I can upload here. Now it's going to take some time. It has 57 files. So as it upload a file, we show you all the files that need to be uploaded. At the end, we can go ahead and commit. So when it's done, you can check. Then if everything is ready here, I can go ahead and commit my change, right? So let's give him a second for you to unpack everything. They usually say it can take a few minutes, depending on how big your directory is, but this is what just 57 files. It shouldn't be that long. Hey, so you guys can see everything. It went fast. Actually, it took what, 10 seconds, right? So this is the directory that I have here, right? This is my repository called teaching tree, and inside my repository, I have a directory called Postgres SQL, README, and file. Now, if I click on my directory, what I love about GitHub is going to open the tree on the left, right? It's going to open a tree here on the left. Then I will be able to see everything that's inside my directory. As you can see, my main directory here is Postgres SQL. Inside that, I have this chart, and then template, right? Then it shows me here, if you guys can see this drop down, it shows me here the directory, and anything here doesn't have a drop down, it means that this is a file, right? These are files. So I can click here, it will show me what is inside. I can keep clicking. So I love this, right? It can keep showing you what is inside. That's how that's why I love GitHub, right? Show you that tree that you have here. So as you can see everything inside template, I have all this file. And you can look at the indentation to see what's going on, to see exactly what belongs to what, for example, right? So this is a directory here. So let's pick a directory, for example, like this template directory here. So when I click on the template directory, what you got happen is that it show me everything inside the template directory. If I click on the chart directory, it show me everything inside the chart directory. Then I can also come here and click on template and click on validation, and it show me basically everything that is inside. Now, if I don't like a directory, for example, then I want to go ahead and delete that directory. I just have, let's say I want to delete this validation directory, right? Remember, if you delete a directory, simple. If we go ahead and delete the directory and all the file and all directory that is inside that directory, so everything will be gone. So I will go ahead and click on delete directory. So I can come down here. I'll say, click on this three dot here. I'll say delete directory, right? You can copy the path, the permalink. If I click here, then I can commit my change. The directory is gone. As you guys can see, that directory called validation is actually gone, right? And on GitHub, you cannot create a directory. You have to upload it, right? Unfortunately, but you can create a file. Now, you can add a file inside a directory. If I click on this directory called template, I can come here and add a file, right? I can even upload something inside if I want. So I can come here and create a file inside that directory, right? Let's just call it file. So I can go ahead and commit. If we create a file inside that directory, as you guys can see here, I just created this. I created that inside that directory. So to create a file inside a directory, you need to click on that directory first, then you can manipulate. I can even upload a directory inside a directory. So it's super easy, right? GitHub make it super easy. And here it gives you the direction where you are. If I click on here, you see it changed. Teaching is this. The first one is my repository. Then I am in the first one here is my repository. It says that, oh, you are in teaching tree in PostgreSQL chart, and the file, the directory that you are looking for is called common, right? If I click on template, as you guys can see, it will change. If I click on one of the file, it will change. And remember, see how things are, right? It's super simple, right? The tree, You can look at either the tree here or you can look at the tree here. So it's the same thing. So very simple. And what you can do is that you can edit a file inside a directory, right? You can edit a file. So you cannot edit a directory, but you can edit a file inside a directory. Pay attention here. When I click on the directory here, you see how it changed here. But if I click on the file, it gives me more option, right? It gives me more option here. But because it's a file, I have more manipulation there, right? So this is a directory, right? So simple. So simple. That's how you manage directories here. And, like I said, you can add and view everything on that. You can decide to copy the link, the path, the permalink, and everything, delete that directory that if you want as well. So I hope you like the video. That's how we manage directory in GitHub. Thank you.